Hello YouTubers and fellow campers. So today I want to show you how to make a delicious, quick, yummy lunch. They're called quesadillas and you can have them as a snack or for lunch, and they're really delicious, really easy, and I'm wearing this hat because I need my regrowth done. So let's go. So quesadillas are great for camping. All you need to do is buy tortillas. I've got these white corn tortillas because unfortunately I'm gluten-free and they're always smaller. But if you buy the regular tortillas, they're a lot bigger and you can fold them in half. So the ingredients that I'm using today is refried beans, which are pinto beans. They're delicious on tortillas. So all we do is spread some on the base of our tortilla. Then I like to put a little bit of thinly sliced red onion as well. So I'll just quickly slice some red onion. So you want it quite thin, just a little bit of red onion. For this one I'm going to put a few sun-dried tomato strips, just a couple. Well, a few. And a little bit of mozzarella cheese. I really like chilli, so I'm going to put just a little bit of chilli, crushed chilli. Now if I was making these on a big tortilla, I would put all the fillings down one half and then fold it over. But as I said, these are gluten-free, so we're just going to squash a lid on top. That's that one. My next one, still using the refried beans. If you had salsa, refried beans and a bit of salsa in the middle is delicious. So for this one, I'm just going to do refried beans, a little bit of onion, and I won't put the sun-dried tomatoes on this one or the chilli. I'll just put some cheese, delicious, and a lid. Now let's get frying. So light your stove, just sort of like a low heat, medium low. Put your pan on. Warm it up for a minute or so. Once your pan's heated up, add a little bit of oil just to cover the base of your pan, and we'll warm that up a little bit. So I'll just put this little bit of tortilla that's broken off in there, and once that starts frying, I know the oil is hot enough. Right, so that looks good to me. So we just want to fry them until they're golden brown on each side. And by doing that, the cheese will melt inside and be delicious. I've used mozzarella, but you can use any grated cheese, to be honest. And I'm just pressing it down a little bit so the two tortillas stick together and the filling's like glue. I'm starting to get some colour. I flip them over a couple of times just to ensure that they're all golden brown and delicious. I'm just using the canola oil here. Any oil will work. Rightio. Get any little burnt bits out. A little bit more oil. And I'll fry my next one. So there's our stack of beautiful crispy tortillas. So you can totally eat them like that, but how I like to serve it, if I'm being a bit posh, is I just dice up, if you like tomato, a little bit of tomato, and some avocado. Hope it's good, hope it's good. It's not bad. You never seriously know until you open it up. And you can cut it into quarters, or if I'm serving it, I just lay some avocado on top, some fresh tomato, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. I'm of the very strong belief that tomato needs salt and pepper. And a little bit of sour cream and a little bit of chili sauce. And how delicious and easy does that look? Now, I want to show you something. Can you hear that noise? That's how crispy they are. And look, all melted and delicious inside. So you can totally just serve them in little wedges like that with some sour cream and chili jam. You don't need the other stuff, but I'm going to try them both. Oh, cook these tonight. Thanks for watching. See you next time.